Okay guys, so you all like that we're gonna play with them. Oh, hold on. Oh, there's pointers. Is there a board? Yeah, I don't think there's a board. Nope. Well, we're just gonna play with them, okay? I'm gonna decide which toys I'm gonna play because there is a lot. And over here, there's actually toys in here too, but those are something else, and I just knocked down a chair. I'm gonna choose the toy real quick. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna play with these. Okay, they're right here. I'm gonna form this because this is a lot. Hold on. It's probably gonna take up the whole video, so I'm pause it and come back.